All right, everyone, I'm going to show you how to do some tips and tricks. This will be my video number 4. One thing that I like to do is, you can see right now I'm in my Google Drive, and I'm in my personal account, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a Google slide, which is similar to Microsoft Office. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a video in this. So let's call this, here, let's kind of change the background a little bit. Okay, and what we're going to add here is how to install a ceiling fan. Okay, no problem. And this is where I'm going to put my video. Now, the nice thing is I can insert a video on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to look down here, and here is the video. And what will pop up is YouTube. So I'll put in here how to install a ceiling fan. And let's search for it. Okay, you can see I've got a couple different options. I'm going to pick this one from the Home Depot. I'm going to select it. Now, the thing is, I can, obviously that's too big, okay? So what if I'm going to put that right here? Let's maybe change my font of this real quick. And maybe make that a little smaller. And we want to make that font, so it'll fit. And well, we can put this right here, and we can adjust it. But we've got a nice little video in here, and it's obviously poorly placed. And the nice thing is, I can do some things to my image here. I can adjust it. I can adjust the contrast, the brightness, the transparency. No big deal. Or let's see if we can move this out of the way. Let's make this a little smaller. And maybe make it a little bigger. And I'm going to bring this up here. And there's my video. So that's how I'm going to put a video in there, and it's not obviously the way I want it to be. And again, the same things. I can change the name of it. I can, okay, no problem. Now another nice thing too is if I go back to my and here's my little video I made right there, or my little presentation slides. And the nice thing also is if I wanted to go to my Google Forms, I like Google Forms a lot. I use it a lot with my teachers to do questionnaires, things like that. I recently did one a couple months ago about what we wanted to do for a school assembly, and gave the choices, and worked really, really well. Oh, but one thing that I want to do, let's say that I want to insert a video in here. I'm going to go back to Insert, and you can see I'm going to look down here. Video. Okay. And again, let's put in summer school classes. Okay. And I'm just picking a topic. And let's say, okay, my last day of Harvard summer. This is the video that I want. I'm going to hit Select. And you'll see that is, I can have a little video here and make some questions, and I can change the format of the questions. And so what's the nice thing about this is you could actually do a screencast of a problem you're doing on your desktop for math or for social studies. And then what we can do is answer the questions below. And let's see what kind of edit I'm going to do here. I'm going to go back. Caption the video. Summer school. Okay. And it's a really slick little program that we can you can center it, middle, right, and add item. I can have multiple check boxes. Put my answer to my question here. And the nice thing is this compiles all my answers, puts them into a nice spreadsheet. And again, I've had my teachers do sample problems, and then you can publish this to the web. That way the kids can follow it. And it's a really neat program that I've used Sheets and Google Forms together quite a bit. So Thanks very much for watching, and I hope this is a tip you can use in the future.